Welcome to another session of Srinath Recipes. Today we will see how to make Szechuan chicken biryani. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Take 400 grams of boiled boneless chicken cubes in a bowl and add 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of Smith & John's ginger garlic paste, 1 packet of Ching's chicken 65 masala and 1 sprig of curry leaves. Mix well. Heat oil in a pan over medium flame and fry the chicken cubes till it turns golden brown. Now take it out and keep it aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add quarter cup of finely chopped carrot, quarter cup of finely chopped cabbage, quarter cup of finely chopped capsicum and quarter cup of finely chopped onion. Saute this for some time and add 600 grams of cooked rice, 1 packet of Ching's Szechuan fried rice masala, 1 teaspoon of Ching's dark soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of Ching's Szechuan chutney. Mix well. Now add the fried chicken cubes. Stir well and add some finely chopped spring onion greens. Turn off the flame. Szechuan chicken biryani is ready to serve. Please do try and post your feedback.